Marketing is the act of changing beliefs for the intent of a purchase. You ask questions like, how can I align myself with the momentum of my product or others already has in place? What information can I gather from the market about the future campaigns for my product? Can I move my efforts to coincide with the huge noise I know they will make? It takes a lot of momentum and pressure to get a product moving. I'm not looking to go through all the work it takes to get a whole new market started. That's fun, but not when it's not you build the strategy. In Marketing Blackbox YouTube channel spread, you are a paid ghost. It is spying only. We spy our fat competitors. We spy their website layout. And we model it. We spy their sales message and web copy. And we model it. We spy their audience, demographic and traffic source. We model it. Right? Big no. No more modeling in traffic. We steal their traffic and share their revenue. We do this through hacking their funnel. We always do this in Blackboxer community, with Marketing Blackbox World. Hi, I am Matthew Robert, co-founder of Marketing Blackbox. I love marketing, especially through funnel hacking. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We share marketing secret every single day. Stay with us.